Welcome to Grafterr's unboxing and setup guide for the Tabletop Self-Service Kiosk. In this video, we'll walk you through everything you need to get your kiosk ready for use. Your kiosk will arrive securely packaged in a secondary box. Inside, you'll find the kiosk unit, cables, adapters, base, and a card terminal. There will also be screws included to mount the card terminal on the right side of the kiosk. To set up, securely attach the kiosk to its base using the provided screws as shown in this guide. Once assembled, connect the power cables at the bottom back of the kiosk. When the kiosk is powered on, you'll find the pre-configured self-service kiosk app ready to go. To complete the setup, enable location services, file access, and Bluetooth to ensure smooth operation. Your tabletop self-service kiosk is now ready for use. Thank you.